So last night we had a little bit of an incident.
Deliberate.
Yeah, oh yeah. Hey everyone, welcome to dubventures, welcome to Loch Ness, and welcome to the NC500 Scotland trip. So guys, as I said, we're at Loch Ness and we have Scott, Dorothy, Conrad, and we have Brooke. Now Brooke's going to take Thor for a walk over there, so if you're new to the channel, we'll show you Brooke in a minute. When I say going for a walk, she's going to take Thor, our little fur baby, for a walk. So how are you enjoying this trip so far, guys?
Fantastic.
Yeah, it's
Brilliant.
amazing, isn't it? So, do you know what, guys? We've got a lot that we're doing today, and I've just spotted Brooke's coming now. So, oh, she's giving us a wave, but.
So we're now on the road again and we are off to Wick, and I've got lots of amazing places for us to see today. I'm just hoping that the weather holds out because it has just started raining. Steps, and one of our subscribers told me about here, so let's go check it out.
Conrad.
Brilliant place, absolutely.
Scott.
Spot, it's
no words, eh?
sensational.
Always loads of words.
Ruined building.
Everybody knows Brooke is scared of heights, but she's doing really, really well. You okay?
Yes.
where we've just been.
I
A little
know.
bit further up where...
Oh, we're at Castle Sinclair Gringo. Or Grinigo.
That's the one. We've been here a few times before, and do you know what? We're excited to be coming again because, you know, we really enjoy it here, don't we? Obviously, these lot over here that are following us, come on, come on! They've not been, so got to have a look here. Guys, this is home for the night. Happy to stay here? Yes!
Yeah.
Perfect.
Of course.
Good time. What a peaceful night's sleep. Almost. So last night we had a little bit of an incident, didn't we, guys?
Yes, we did.
Someone, or some individuals, thought it would be quite funny after 12 o'clock, you know, it's quite late, it's about 1 o'clock, wasn't it, or something?
After
3
midnight.
minutes past 12.
Right, okay.
It's the business I'm in.
Yeah. Now the thing is, there is only one road in here, one road out, because as we'll show you after, when you go up here, there isn't anywhere to go because that's like the furthest north point that you can get to. But last night someone thought it'd be really funny to pull up here, lean out the windows and screaming and shouting. Now it sounded like they had some type of speaker or something,
Had a
didn't
tannoy.
it? Yeah, they had like
It was deliberate. It had
yeah,
time.
oh yeah, and started screaming at us to wake up and things like that. Now, first of all, it doesn't bother us, you know, but at the end of the day, it's the mentality that some people have got, that they feel that like they have to drive, because the thing is, there's nowhere to go if you go up there, so they're looking for people because they've got like a speaker that they can shout through. The fact that they're doing that, it's like, really guys, who you need to like, if you might think it's funny, but think about logically why you feel that you have to do something like that. It's quite sad, really, isn't it? It's quite sad.
It's pathetic.
But the thing is, what's even funnier is, if you look on the front of Scott's van, he's got like all the light bars and he's got like all the floodlights and everything. We were asleep, but as soon as them lights went on, and you know, and we was getting out, they weren't sticking around, were they? They were gone. They were gone. So, but anyway, just thought, you know, we'd let you guys know about that. But
look at that.
But look at that.
Already morning, and Tom's got out. And then the next thing crosses, it was like a second.
So guys, the sun is rising, we're up bright and early, we're getting everything ready, we've got a lot of exploring to do. Today, the exploring that we're going to do today and the weather today is, hopefully, it's going to stay dry. What an amazing welcome. I mean, there's no words, it's just amazing, isn't it? The feeling, just like everything around us and that. So, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, there's lots of exciting videos to come. Hit the like button. And until the next one, guys, bye for now.